Another example, I'll just pick on guys, being one myself. We got all our different hand tools, and a lot of women too, so I don't want to upset anybody, but a lot of guys have tools and all their nuts and bolts and stuff for projects around the house, and it's scattered all over. We can put a workstation in there, a nice Duratop, couple cabinets, couple overhead, couple bases, couple overhead cabinets, put everything nice and neat. Touch up paint brushes, have all this organized with all the wrenches and everything in one place, one central place, so you know where it is and where it should be brought back to.